Okay, as you can see, it's just a little bit after midnight. Look at that. This is a lesson in don't give up. I spoke to this woman. The concerts were getting out downtown Sacramento, the Hozier concert, and I saw this ride for $40 to Auburn for 30 minutes. And it was so jammed up and the roads were closed, so I just had to pull over, and I called this woman and I said, look, you're gonna have to just walk up J Street like a block and a half. I'm gonna have my car blinking and I'm gonna be waving my arms. And she was not from Sacramento, and it took her about 5 minutes to figure it out. And finally she said, are you looking for her name, Kai? And I said, yes. And there she was. She got in my car. So then I drove her the half hour thinking I was going to make, $40. And then, bam, she hit me with this outrageous tip of $18 on top of that. So it just goes to show you, you do a little good, supporting those passengers, helping them out, and sometimes it really pays off. $60 for a 30-minute ride. That's one of my better rides, and who would have thunk?